today's video's topic is about Google Cloud, Google Cloud P, Google Cloud Platform, GCP Full Guide, and Google Cloud Workspace. So, essential Google Cloud Services Compute Engine GCE lets customers provisions virtual machines on demand. GCE virtual machines can live migrate between host system without rebooting, which enables you to keep your running applications even if the host requires maintenance. Cloud functioning is a scalable pay as you go function as a service that runs your code without the need to manage provisions or upgrade servers. Kubernetes Engine GKE provides a managed environment for deploying, managing, and scaling your containerized application using the Google infrastructure. GCP automatically handles the upgrade to run new versions of Kubernetes. What is the storage of the Google database? So local SSD and premises disk, cloud storage, GCS, file store, data work, networking, and security. These all are the basic for the Google Cloud storage. So the cloud CDN, the GCP or the Google Cloud storage, fast, reliable, and web content delivery with global database is also cloud fiber store. Easily develop rich applications using a fully managed NAQL or SQL servers. As you know that the free AWS accounts are also being created. So what is Google Platforms? It is a platform for development and hosting web application in Google managed data centers. Since then, Google has ended a lot of services on their platform. Is Google Platform is easy to learn? So if people are saying it is easy or not, Google is one of the most popular cloud-based computing platform. It offers a variety of services including storage, compute, analytic, and message. The platform is relatively easy to learn and there are many variety of resources available to help newcomers get started. If you have questions that how do I learn a cloud from scratch or any other website, deploy applications with multiple components to DCP using GCE, GAE, and GKE. Choose the right storage and database technology for your applications. Focus on the actions you need to know to build capable, reliable applications using GCP. Possesses was the basic options of the cloud. What is the salary of a GCP job or a Google Cloud Storage job? If you're living in India or in South Asian country, the data engineering salary in India ranges between 4 lakhs to 18 lakhs with an average salary of 6.5 lakhs. This is not the annual salary. Okay, this is annual salary between an average annual salary of 6 lakhs. I don't think so. Can a non-technical person learn Google Cloud? Yes, you can definitely become a cloud computing professional even if you belong from a non-technical background. The thing which matters in your interest and dedications toward the particular technology is that how much you have passion and how you are passionate about your learning behavior. Is coding required for GCP? No, coding is not required. Yes, you can use the cloud with coding. So time to break myths. Remember this, you don't need any coding skills to learn about or steps into cloud computing. So Google Cloud Storage has a what? Spread